Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important. For anyone dreaming of working in the United States but doesn't have a job offer yet. Yes, you heard that right, it's possible to work in the US without an employer sponsor. In this video, we'll explore two of the best visa options for 2025 that allow skilled professionals and extraordinary individuals to establish careers in the US. Independently, the EB-2 National Interest Waiver and IW, and the O1 visa. Whether you're a scientist, engineer, artist, entrepreneur, or academic, this video is for you. We'll break down the eligibility criteria, application processes, and why these visas could be your ticket to professional success in the US. So grab a notebook, sit back, and let's get started. Why working in the US is a dream for many. Before we dive into the visa options, let's talk about why the United States is such a desirable destination for professionals worldwide. The US is home to some of the world's most thriving industries, from tech giants in Silicon Valley to groundbreaking research institutions and a booming entertainment industry. It offers high salaries, unparalleled career growth opportunities, and a clear pathway to permanent residency through programs like the Green Card. However, one of the biggest hurdles for many is securing a job offer from a U.S. employer, which is typically required for most work visas. But what if I told you there are ways to work in the U.S. without a job offer? That's where the EB-2 National Interest Waiver NIV and the O1 visa come in. EB-2 National Interest WAIV or NIV. Let's start with the EB-2 National Interest Waiver NIV. This visa is a game-changer for skilled professionals who want to work in the U.S. without an employer sponsor. The EB-2 NIW is an employment-based visa that grants a direct route to permanent residency green card without requiring a job offer. It's designed for individuals whose work significantly benefits the national interest of the U.S. Here is what you need to know about the EB-2 NIW eligibility criteria to qualify. Applicants must demonstrate either exceptional ability or hold an advanced degree master's or PhD. Professionals in the following fields often qualify: STEM experts, scientists, engineers, and technology professionals advancing critical innovations, researchers and academics, those making significant contributions in science, education, or healthcare, business and arts professionals, individuals demonstrating exceptional ability in entrepreneurship, economic development, or creative fields, self-petitioning, and like the H-1B visa, which requires an employer's sponsorship. The EB-2 NIW allows individuals to self-petition. This means you can apply on your own, making it an attractive choice for independent professionals. National interest requirement: you'll need to prove that your work benefits the U.S. on a national level. This could include advancing scientific research, improving public health, or contributing to economic growth. The EB-2 NIW is a fantastic option for professionals who want to establish a stable career in the U.S. while bypassing the need for an employer sponsor. O1 visa for individuals with extraordinary abilities. Next up is the O1 visa, another excellent option for professionals who want to work in the U.S. without employer sponsorship. This visa is designed for individuals with extraordinary abilities in fields such as science, education, business, athletics, and the arts. Here is a breakdown of the O-1 visa types of O1 visa. O1A for individuals with extraordinary ability in sciences, education, business, or athletics. O1B for individuals with extraordinary ability in the arts or extraordinary achievements in film and television. O2 for essential support personnel assisting an O1 visa holder. O2-3 for spouses and dependents of O1 and O2 visa holders. Eligibility criteria to qualify: applicants must demonstrate exceptional expertise through prestigious awards, recognition at national or international levels, published research, significant contributions in their field, industry recognition, membership in elite organizations, or a record of professional achievements. Flexibility. Unlike key employer-dependent visas, the O1 visa offers flexibility, allowing individuals to work for multiple employers or even establish their own businesses in the U.S. The O1 visa is perfect for professionals who have already made a name for themselves in their field and want to take their career to the next level in the U.S. Comparing the EB-2 and O1 visa. Host voiceover. Now that we've covered both visas, let's compare them to help you decide which one might be right for you. The EB-2 NIW does not require a job offer and provides a direct path to permanent residency green card. It's ideal for professionals with advanced degrees or exceptional ability, such as scientists, researchers, and entrepreneurs. On the other hand, the O1 visa also doesn't require a job offer, but does not lead directly to a green card. It's designed for individuals with extraordinary abilities in specialized fields like arts, athletics, and sciences. The O1 visa offers more flexibility, allowing you to work for multiple employers or start your own business. So, if your ultimate goal is permanent residency, the EB-2 NIW is the better option. But if you're looking for flexibility and the ability to work independently, the O1 visa might be the way to go. Why these visas matter for your career? So, why are these visas such a big deal? Here is why they matter for your career. Establish a stable career in the U.S. Both visas allow you to work in the U.S. without the constraints of employer sponsorship, giving you the freedom to pursue opportunities that align with your expertise. Pursue passion projects, whether it's groundbreaking research, a creative endeavor, or launching a startup. These visas let you focus on what you're truly passionate about. Pathway to permanent residency EB-2 NIW. THE EB-2 NIW offers a direct route to a green card, providing long-term stability and the opportunity to build a future in the U.S. Expand your professionality working in the U.S. Opens doors to a global network of professionals, collaborators, and mentors who can help you grow your career. These visas are more than just work permits, they are tools to help you achieve your professional dreams. How to apply? Now, let's talk about the application process for these visas. EB-2 new application. Step 1. Gather evidence of your exceptional ability or advanced degree. Step 2. Prepare a petition demonstrating how your work benefits the U.S. national interest. Step 3. Submit Form I-140 immigrant petition for alien worker to USCIS. Step 4. If approved, apply for a green card through adjustment of status or consular processing. O1 visa application. Step 1. Collect evidence of your extraordinary ability, such as awards, publications, or industry recognition. Step 2. Secure a job offer or contract from a U.S. employer, though this is not a strict requirement. Step 3. Submit Form I-129 petition for a non-immigrant worker to USCIS. Step 4. If approved, apply for the O1 visa at a U.S. embassy or consulate. Both processes require careful preparation and documentation, so it's a good idea to consult an immigration lawyer or expert to ensure your application is strong. And there you have it, everything you need to know about working in the U.S. without a job offer, using the EB-2 National Interest Waiver NIW and the O1 visa. These visas are incredible opportunities for skilled professionals and extraordinary individuals to establish careers in the U.S. independently. Whether you're aiming for permanent residency or looking for flexibility in your work, these options could be your pathway to success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Let us know in the comments if you're considering applying for one of these visas or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.